Hi, I'm Gemma. Today we're going to be looking at the new Kodak Ultra F9 35mm camera. Let's get started. So the cameras are available in two colourways. You can get them in a green and white or a yellow and black. They come presented in these really nice boxes that are very satisfying to open. If you take the camera out, you can see that they have this nice strap on them and they've got some weight about them as well, which is quite nice compared to some of the other sort of everyday reusable cameras. And they also come with a QR code that you can scan to access the user manual online. So if we go through the features on the front of the camera, you'll see that you've got a 31mm f9 lens. It has a built-in flash which you turn off using this switch, which is just here. The actual flash itself is above that, and then the viewfinder is here. So if we carry on to the back of the camera, you'll see the film advance wheel, which is just here, and on the side there is a catch which opens the back of the camera so that you can put your film in. So if we go through the rest of the features on the camera, there is a shutter release button on the top, a film rewind lever which also sits along the top next to the, there's a little light that shows you if the flash is charged. And then if we flip it over, you'll see a button on the bottom that works to rewind the film with the lever and a battery compartment. To load the film, you need to open the back of your camera, put your canister in the left-hand side and pull the film leader over to the right, making sure that it catches on the sprockets at the bottom. Wind the film on once just to make sure it's secure, close the back of your camera and then advance the film until it stops. Now you're ready to go. It's been a few days, I've sent off my film, got my scans back, and overall I'm really happy with how they turned out. The camera itself was super easy to use. You can just chuck it in your bag and you are good to go. The only element that you want to play with anyway is the flash, which was quite impressive. The range on it was really good, which makes the camera more versatile for different situations, so that's always great. On the whole, it's a really well presented product. The box itself is super sleek and the camera feels really sturdy when compared to similar reusable cameras available. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.